Today is our last full day at Delicate Nobby Campground just south of Crescent Head and north of Port Macquarie. We've been here for 18 days, I think. On the whole, it's been a fabulous stay. Biggest problem is the problem that's everywhere. It's off-leash dogs, but on the whole, it's been pretty good. It's beautiful and quiet here through the week. It is hectic on the weekends, and I imagine school holidays will be horrendous, but we've had a really good stay. It's very pet friendly. The beach is excellent. We might try to sneak back here after the October school holidays when the weather's warm and we can enjoy that surf a bit more. But yeah, I think it works out like $24.60 a night through the National Parks website. All the links and stuff are on Wikicamps. But yeah, we've had a good stay. Big rig friendly, only the low trees coming in is a little bit of an issue if you say 3.2 meters or higher, but we just push through them a little bit, so not too much of an issue. But it is very lovely here in the sun, lots of wildlife, lots of bird life. Yeah, really happy, really good stay. Definitely to put on the list to come back to and the recommend list.